Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So my dear students, today I am going to tell you how to write question number B of chapter 9 A and the in your CW copy. First of all, you have to mention the date in CW and you have to mention the chapter number, chapter 9, and the name of chapter, that is A and the. Now you have to write exercises below the name of the chapter. EXERCISES exercises. Now you have to write the question number B. Read these sentences. The words a and the are either missing or incorrectly used. Correct them. So students, today we are going to do the exercises related to a and the. So in our previous video I had already told you about the uses of a and the. Now let's do these exercises. Now look at the first one. We live in big city. So students, in this sentence there is either missing the word a and the, or someone is incorrectly used. You have to correct them. So the first one is we live in big city. So students, before big we can use a. We live in a big city. So first of all you have to write the question. We live in big city. Now below the question you have to write the correct sentence, that is we live in a big city. Now let's come to the second sentence. I have the headache. So students, here you have to replace the word the with a. You have to write here I have a headache, not the headache. Now let's come to the third one. He is best player in our team. So students, here in this sentence, in team only one player is the best. So here you have to write the before the best player, because you know very well we use the for a unique things like best player. So in a team there is only one best player. So you have to write here he is the best player in our team. Now let's come to the fourth sentence. I live in Kolkata. So students, Kolkata is the name of a state. So before the name of state we use the. I live in the Kolkata. So the correct sentence is I live in the Kolkata. Now let's come to the fifth sentence. Please return a book I lent you yesterday. So students, look here, before book a is given here. So the book, before the book we have to use the, not a. So you have to replace a with a the, and you have to write the sentence like, please return the book I lent you yesterday. Now let's come to the question number 6. My mother works in school. So students, before the word school, we have to use the. My mother works in the school. Now let's come to the 7th sentence. You have an hour to complete a test. So students, look at the word hour. Here H is silent and the word hour sounds like a double A sound, that is a, hour. So before this we have to use an, not a. So here you have to write the correct sentence. You have an hour to complete a test. Now let's come to the 8th sentence. Sohan's grandparents live in village. So students, here you have to use the before the village. Sohan's grandparents live in the village. Now let's come to the question number 9. Boys are going to play a football in the playground. So students, look at the word boys. The word boys is plural. So before plural we use the, and a is used before singular. So here you have to replace a with the. The boys are going to play, and before football you have to write the, because it is a name of game. The boys are going to play the football in the playground. Now let's come to the 10th sentence. Longest river in India is Ganga. So first of all, look at these words, longest river. So before the longest we have to use the, because it tells us about the river, and before river we have to use the. So the correct sentence is like this. The longest river in India is the Ganga. So you have to write this. The longest river in India is the Ganga. Now let's come to the 11th sentence. I have pretty dress in my shopping bag. So here before the word pretty we have to use a. I have a pretty dress in my shopping bag. Now let's come to the 12th sentence. Mohit is a honest boy. So my dear students, look at the word honest. Here H is silent. So here we have to use an instead of a. Mohit is an honest boy. So you have to write the correct sentence. Mohit is an honest boy. Now let's come to the 13th sentence. The Cairo is the capital of Egypt. So students, you know very well, before the name of any country we have to use the. So here the Egypt is a country. Egypt is the country. So here you have to use the before Egypt instead of a. So the correct sentence is The Cairo is the capital of the Egypt. Now let's come to the last sentence. Thomas read a Bible every Sunday. So students, you know very well, before the name of countries, river, mountain or any holy book, we use the. So Bible is the holy book of Christians. So here you have to write the sentence, Thomas read the Bible every Sunday. So my dear students, I hope you understand this exercise by the help of this video. Now you have to write this in your CW copy like this. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.